2025 Cadillac CT5-V is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking both power and refinement. Cadillac has continued to refine its V-Series lineup, and the latest CT5-V is no exception. With its aggressive styling, advanced features, and thrilling performance, this sedan is built to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 CT5-V comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces an impressive 360 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. This power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth yet rapid acceleration. For those who crave more power, the CT5-V Blackwing variant offers a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, generating an astonishing 668 horsepower. This model is a true beast on the road, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. One of the key highlights of the 2025 CT5-V is its magnetic ride control 4.0, which continuously adjusts the suspension for a perfect balance of comfort and performance. This system allows the car to adapt to different road conditions, providing a smooth ride on highways while maintaining excellent handling on twisty roads. The Brembo brakes offer exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety even at high speeds. The exterior design of the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V reflects its sporty nature. With a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines, the sedan exudes a strong and aggressive stance. The Blackwing model takes it up a notch with carbon fiber elements, a larger rear spoiler, and a more track-focused appearance. The available 19-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires further enhance its dynamic appeal. Inside, the CT5-V is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The cabin features premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and suede, giving it an upscale feel. The front seats are heavily bolstered, providing excellent support during spirited driving. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, allowing drivers to monitor performance metrics in real time. The infotainment system is powered by a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Cadillac has also packed the CT5-V with advanced safety and driver assistance features.